Good morning, dear ones. So, in science, we will read today our first chapter, that is food and digestion. Why do we need food? Do you have any guess, any idea? Yes, we need food because it helps us to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It keeps us fit and healthy. For that, in food there are some substances called as nutrients are present. What are nutrients, my dear ones? Nutrients are the substances present in food that provide us nourishment. Basically, there are 5 types of nutrients present in our food. They are carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. In food, even roughage and water is also included, is present. Now, let us read about these nutrients one by one and why they are so important. Why do we take these nutrients in our food? The first one is energy-giving nutrients. Basically, we divide our nutrients in 3 types: energy-giving nutrients, body-building nutrients and protective nutrients. So, in energy-giving nutrients, carbohydrates and fats comes. They provide us energy. There are main sources for carbohydrate. They are rice, wheat, potato, cereals, pulses, sugar, bread, etc. And though fats give us more energy than carbohydrates, but we need fat in lesser quantity. The sources for fats are oil, ghee, nuts, butter, etc. So carbohydrate and fats are energy-giving nutrients. Now second is body-building nutrients, and protein is a body-building nutrient. The sources are egg, fish, meat, pulses, etc. They are rich in protein. They help us to grow. Bodybuilding nutrients help us to grow. That's why the growing children needs more protein rather than their grandma or grandpa or elder ones. Now the third type of nutrient is protective nutrients, and in this vitamins and minerals come. Vitamins and minerals, we can get vitamins and minerals from the sources are fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, etc. They help us to protect our body from different disease. They fight against disease. They give us the capability to fight against disease. Now, let us see some examples for minerals. They help us to form our bones, our teeth, and some examples of minerals are iodine, calcium, iron, etc. Now, we come to roughage and water. Roughage is the fiber present in our food and that help us to get rid of unwanted food out of the body. It adds to the bulk of the food. Now, water is also essential to our body to function properly because 3/4 of our body weight is water, and this water is also present in our food. Let us now read about one more important terminology, that is balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet has a right amount of all the nutrients, that is carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So dear ones, let us revise what we have read right now. We have read about food. Why do we need food? Because it gives us energy, help us to grow, keep us fit and healthy. This food contains some substances known as nutrients. They provide nourishment to our body. The basic nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, and in food water and roughage is also present. There are different sources for carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals which we need to take. Now, carbohydrate and fats are energy giving nutrients, proteins are body building nutrients, and vitamins and minerals are protective nutrients. And in the last we read about a balanced diet, a diet that has the right amount of all the nutrients.